Hello and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to place a trade right here on Oanda. And if you want to do this, the first step that we are going to do is go right here to the TMS Oanda web trader, and this is the MetaTrader 5 web trader, because right now what we're going to do is we search here for a symbol that we want to place a trade on. So let's go to crypto and search right here for, what will we do? Dogecoin. Then he's loading Dogecoin right here. And if you want to place a trade, we go right here to new order, fill in right here the volume. So 500 is fine. We can add a stop loss or take profit on it if you want to do that by clicking on the plus and drag it to where you want it, or just fill it in right here. And then if you want to place this trade, we click right here on buy market. And right now we just bought 500 Dogecoin right here. We click on OK, and now you see here the trade that we created. So this is how you can place a trade right here on Oanda. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.